So, today here at the Porsche Centre Sheffield, we have something super exciting to show you. We have this amazing, gorgeous 911 Rennsport backdate. Rennsport is a small niche business based in Gloucestershire here in the UK. They are world renowned for recreating bespoke and tailored restorations of the iconic Porsche 911. They take 1980s Porsche 911s and rebuild them to customers' bespoke requirements. Rennsport will take in customer cars and rebuild them, or they'll provide a donor car. Restorations range from £100,000 to £400,000, depending on which body style and upgrades are required. Each car is very original, exclusive, bespoke and extremely sought after. It takes approximately 12 months to build a car from delivery of the donor to handing over the keys of the completed car. Each donor gets a full bare shell rebuild along with full engine rebuild using OEM parts. The process of backdated renovations includes full strip of metalwork. All cars are fully stripped by hand and checked for issues. Any bodywork is rectified, any welding or sheet metal work is done, and depending on your chosen body style, wider arches and backdated panels are welded to complete this stage. The car is then painted either the original factory colour or the customer's choice of colour. The interior fit out includes soundproofing and fitting new carpets, installing new and retrimmed seats. The dash and clocks all come in for the Rennsport treatment, with many options available to tailor your car to your exact requirements. The engine is fully stripped, cleaned, machined and rebuilt using new balanced and blueprinted parts. The gearbox goes through the same treatment and both are reunited with the car once it returns from the body shop. Increased capacity and individual throttle bodies can be added at this point to further improve performance. New suspension components and brake lines are installed and either standard or upgraded brake systems are fitted as per the customer requirements. Once completed, the car gets a fresh MOT and 12 months warranty. So, what about the car we have here today? This has been through the same restoration and renovation process at Rennsport factory just over 4 years ago. It's based on a 1985 3.2 Carrera narrow body. It's been backdated to a 1973 with factory spec steel panels, and it's been painted in its original factory colour of slate grey. The rebuilt engine is running around 250 to 260 brake horsepower with its upgraded twin tailpipe SSI sports exhaust. It has a 915 gearbox and is equipped with Bilstein shocks and low suspension. It has a 911 Club Sport brakes which have larger diameter disc than standard, and it has these fantastic deep dish fuchsia style alloy wheels. Okay, so let's take a look at the interior. The interior has been fully retrimmed in period style black leather and Harris tweed. We have the 3-spoke Momo Prototipo steering wheel. The door cards have been retrimmed in vinyl. We also have the lightweight door pull straps and the all-important Rennsport badge. So overall, this car looks stunning in its combination of black and grey. This particular model is a Rennsport Evolution model. If you wanted to buy one of these directly from Rennsport, it would cost you in the region of £60,000 for a 1980s 911, plus the £100,000 rebuild costs. This would make something like this cost around £160,000, plus the 12 months it would take to rebuild. That makes this particular 911 Rennsport look cheap at £125,000. Especially when you consider other backdate 911s from brands like Theon or Singer, where cars can cost in excess of £1 million. This certainly makes this look an absolute bargain and possibly a fantastic future investment.